Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you want to turn off the talking voice in your menus, Battlefield 6 and you are looking out how to do so, you may basically follow this step-by-step guide and you should be able to turn it off. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is just go over and look out for your Battlefield, open it up, and from the main home screen of Battlefield 6 you can navigate to the settings. You can look out for the gear icon at the very top right beside the profile and select it. And once you open up this menu of your settings right here, you can go to the accessibility section. So find accessibility and select it, and there you can look out for the audio related settings, usually for audio right at the very top. So you can select this option called menu narration. So find the option leveled as the menu narration or screen reader, something similar, and all you gotta do is turn this option off right here by toggling the settings off to stop the voice from reading the menu items aloud. So this settings is sometimes enabled by default when you first install the game, and turning it off will stop the narration when you browse through the menus. So you can just go and follow the steps for that, pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.